Welcome back to the biggest show in the continent, MS Live. And I have my first guest in the studio, and he goes by the name Fada.
Lord.
Minya bibi aboko de.
Because I want to be other from
Fada, our voice no down. Voice no down.
I'm sorry, what
any other crack, any true, but still life has to go on.
Yes,
yeah, life has to move on.
Yes,
yeah. Or drip it, and you grow me.
Oh, I've been keeping it solid since.
Yeah.
Say,
yeah, Fada,
dear. Famano, dear. You're funny, what I say.
Oh, nice.
It's also another signature for myself.
Yeah, for real. And no way in Charlie. Nice. I love your drip, Charlie. You are killing it. Fada. Fada, Udina, very interesting. How did you come up with the name?
The name was given to me way back in Asafo when I started music, because I used to be a church drummer.
Hey.
And I was doing this music thing, behind my boys.
Okay.
And one day, they dragged me into, to them, and they forced me to actually prove myself. And right after, the name was given to me.
Fada.
Yes.
Hey, to just a rap and I want to Fada. Yeah, that will say Chrome.
Yes.
Maybe you say Chrome boy, it's young fan coffee, young fan coffee, young fan mom. If you Fada, meaning say, what started rap career, no? You as a rapper, you started as a rapper.
Yeah.
Your music career started as a rapper.
I started just last year.
No, I didn't think about switching. Why did you switch up?
Maybe I believe say baby I two things. Say Anya Papa bonny.
Yeah, true.
What I say na otwe baby so na my say baby.
Yeah.
So we've been rapping and I say nani and sakakra so day.
Was it that Fada now we are rap no? Was it that you weren't making music money out of rap or something?
No question.
Just a rapping into ya.
Sa akodi ajiskani na sa akodi ene pede mo ajiskani na what I so as I say also yes
smart yeah. Just a rap scene in there just into ya.
And then right now you see everybody is listening to singing.
Yeah, for real.
And yeah, we be say sa akodi na eja odi ni sunsun.
Yeah.
What I say now is a singing season.
Yeah, for real.
What I say, yeah.
And we bring so because a melodic rap, or a crowd, as a rap singing, be no, yeah.
Yes, to say, smoke.
Yes.
On say no one.
No, yeah, true.
Yeah, but first, no, now it's now.
Hardcore. Yeah, look, Kenya level now, yeah, true.
But no one who say a breast is Sanchez, that's what's a son of street and I accept it at the end because I know.
Yeah, no crack. But Fada, what inspired you to get into music at the first place?
Many inspiration. Also, na the actual. Because we have a started free as a church boy.
Yeah.
I also my instruments, so music, you know.
The instruments bear now or
drums.
Drums, okay. Yeah. To drums, there we experts.
Don't go there.
Oh, nice. That means okay. So we in music. How many years in it? Ache, it will do 20 years professionally.
Oh, yeah, more than 20 years. Oh, me old me akokra.
Hey,
men am I me.
Oh, see, okay.
Oh, me akokra.
It's one now. No, I'm starting. We're tipping one more.
I think brothers. Yeah.
Floating stone in Kuntamo. Okay. That's a 205.
I think that time, Kranana, Kunta. Okay, Kunta bit me, I am age mate, and I say,
okay,
because of more minimum from my penny for the Chama Kwame, Floaking, what a Kunta the
but okay. It's Onion Band. What was the first song you wrote?
Okay, so before I started doing music as a solo artist, you know. We were in a group back then called A-Boys.
A-Boys?
Yeah.
Oh, Mate.
Ogidi Brown.
Okay.
Ogidi Brown, the one in the future, yeah. He's the one that, I started as a group with.
Okay.
Way back.
A-Boys.
Sometimes, drop it, bangers, maybe.
I don't know Kumasi, and A-Boys,
yeah. Guru, La Pasto, Takra, reference. I don't know the tickle never.
Yeah. It's one verse, never verse, bang. Mano verse, no, because I can't crack.
Hey, okay, yeah.
It's okay.
Hey. But we had this, I mean, big song back then, Agata. So it be whose time by this? Agata.
Yeah.
So it be whose time? I'm not there.
Yeah.
Akorabia and Nasa Obia, we school from 2010. A day, but not there. Agata.
Agata, but then inspire me call with that name Agata. I don't know who Agata be an answer.
Okay, so we had, I mean, a sister.
Okay.
In Asafo. And now, like, I mean, your castle or Adiana,
or Adiano. Adiana,
or Chinyam, what I said to an answer, not disturb you or area more. Pneumonia castle, no. Now, your friend Agata and Pobe Yankasani, the Agata, and my friend, near friend Cassoa, Mr. Frank, as you say, or a Showman Estate. Okay. Be a pub and lunch or food yard just opposite. Okay. A Showman Estate in Tino. Or no, na using near friend Caswas at that time. Okay. And yes, I convincing I didn't try video. No, it's all I got a video now. More the Agata.
Nice. But what has been the toughest moment for you in the music industry?
That was when my brother left me and traveled to abroad.
Okay.
And I was just alone. A whole lot of things happened. I even end up, I mean, wearing only a boxer on the street.
Hey,
sure, okay.
Name more day.
There be a more day. Name more day, pal. Name more day. I think somewhere 2018, 2019. Started a boxer, Shane Moana, COVID-19 run.
So kind of.
Hey, we are singing. Nah.
And will you say, like, you were depressed at some point?
Oh, yes.
But how do you handle depression? How do you handle it? How did you handle it?
I think that was when, I mean, I was able to came out with the hard box Saturn, thinking that maybe I would get some attention from the people out there. But then also I would have advised myself that you can't just come out for only a trend. It should have a purpose.
Because, yeah, true.
What I said. But I didn't realize that. But then, wearing the boxers and going here and there, it was actually, I mean, Emma Bibia ever from Kakra because not Mrs. Emma. But when I started wearing the boxers, people were at least calling me Kakra for me to know that.
Okay.
I mean, BBA the air cost.
That means boxer now and they're very strategic.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
But so out of, I mean, the depression, frustrations, and they sadly and so
okay. But Fada, are you on a record label?
Right now, I mean, me handle me BB.
Right now, handle BB.
Yeah, but I have a team that I work with. Yeah.
But our videos never drip it, they grow. But how do you fund it? Because we're watching it on your mouth, drip
it. Because I mean, I don't even know how I do it sometimes, but then I just know how to calculate at the end of that combination. That's why I was saying
okay. As a Ununia Kempaluta, Munina must start as rappers.
Yes.
Kempaluta and so I switch it, also sing it.
Yeah.
My brother, Rafada, also switch it, also sing it. I didn't say the Munina must switch it.
But also, the biggest record when it comes to music. I wa Ghana ning na ye melodies mko
and you true
and you be to me hit that wa ukwafa eh 1-1 bi pen ye I mean eh rubber bit say alampine ma fe na bo I mean pacho what
Mate kwa kesi level no
what 1-1 bi but they are canning na melodies
true and then
and we also want to be addressed as legends from time to come what I say so as I say and penning for the son of Muchato
true
as I say so
but how did you link up with your brother Kempaluta or Dobie Bad?
Kempaluta, I didn't officially invited him on the song because we are always together.
Oh, okay.
And any producer about Kuna Joku.
Okay.
What I say. The beer, oh my. Now I said that kind of vibe. What that you know me and over also, and also baby. Now me Gina and China and no.
And a fire. Now hitting. How did you feel when it became a hit song?
Okay, sir. Okay, see, somewhere now, boss, I need you a buy, because you are trying to hey, but to your banny, or testing. Yeah, boom, could you buy fast and you more
panny and more
also, because you're perhaps song. Now, finally, Uncle Pa say, I walk around, I'll be feeling say. Name more than
buy. Okay, but I say, anyway, buy like Nipa Rebate on kind of TGM, we have 3 nominations.
Yes.
We have Best New Artist. We have Live Song of the Year. And we have Collaboration of the Year. How did it make you feel? Because TGM made it, make us one of the most prestigious awards.
They would do why. I don't know just say.
Why arrive it?
What I said, and I dance. You know, we started from somewhere. Go for you know, almost started. You know, omunina. To me, Gina, one nice one way a day, or more a buy. It is a to me, Abba, no consistently. That's a drew her. You are nominated here. Says here, US, the other account. We the other account. A treasure and coupon. Why, what I say?
Ampa. It says, our nomination, ya, idea. May I show us as our open doors be bring so as I'm out.
Now, when the nomination came, I think I mean, in Sunyani. Now, media talk, Akrami. Now, hotel, first nomination, hotel, OBRP, they wanted to know why I was screaming as at that time. I'm saying, Charlie, you nominated me
for TGM.
Go ahead, TV3, yeah, the picture. I say, hey,
Fada.
Charlie, Nipa bread.
Yamia, the Asidana was here, the Mayame. Yeah, no crap. But also, we have 3 nominations. As I went to me and winning award. But how does it make you feel not able to win none of the awards?
Bro, I mean, I've been telling people about this, that getting only the nominations in Pro is my biggest achievement. I started saying this. Says, can you make your madam? I'm a man and I'm pa.
When ya?
And no. Because when I was at church playing this instrument, I started with Ernesto Poku.
Hey,
share, okay, say,
brother Samemo now almost started.
So when Ernesto Poku started blowing out everywhere, may you mean I'm in a time when you're not in the was sorry, I'm
a drums. I saw a band or no?
Mercy out chapel or Kumasi, Fantini town.
Oh, okay.
Like
I did the opposite as a fool.
Yeah. What I said to you, train your man, and
Bamba Trim says, any farmer on your bed, my dear. Open sound so switching our gospel.
No. And yes, sir. Obian in the deal.
Calling.
Because I want to say, the kind of lifestyle I'm a person live, you know. Yeah, sure, say young couple so I
say, okay.
Say, I mean, a brand they be alive because gospel, no, they all two. I mean, yes, so we to be what I say, because Ghana, a Christopher,
yeah.
So I did be out, people look up to you. Say, why am I not cutting? What disappointing on one or more show.
But Rafa is also almost on my airbound gospel. No more, you say, Lucre money or more, my airbound gospel. Lucre don't free Ghana by Ghana artists. No, because your can't skate more, yes, I don't know. Can't skate or more, Ghana for more, airbound gospel or more dresses. And all the say, TGM nominations, no much. It's almost the airbound gospel category, and the traditional gospel. And also, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, Nina, okay, because I must for be to say they make you are official with the answer when yam fan, and you never from a Brown. It's here, and indeed, you go pardon us and penny for so I drink home the about. It means almost drain. I mean, yeah, I don't much at the end of the free away.
Recently, Obapa Christie dropped a new project. Or be they was so. Now, gospel artists been our person in the year, Juma.
Obapa is one of.
Okay.
I mean, like me and Kasan, me gospel nkwana metio.
Hey. So what's your favorite gospel song?
Uso Mimu is one of.
And no one a boy. Jakalolo. I mean, I just all took a club because when kind.
Uso Mimu, una Uso Mimu, Papa, Sawa, so Mimu. And come dano Sawa, Nasa Brasochi, Riba. Oye me clara chifu I am a young kuno.
Oh, hey,
mommy.
Hey, what are you sorry?
Say, or say, or brass watch a bar at the near my baby neighbor. A be a mani, a be a real quadanda, a be a sikasam, a juma some, a wari some, a coin to you. It is us watching a bar. The only person over to me at a children, young couple,
and then the crap now come. You saw Bapa Christine, Bapa
Christie, Yakalolo, me, my brother, and Estopoku as well. I mean, Omo Dawson, inspirations, no baby, gospel, no metie fano, a Dawson, me, Uncle Saminia, Joe Metal say, started some metie no crown, and now Unyama, the Joe Metal that we know today. Okay, from so winners time.
Okay,
yeah.
There's a gospel fund there, no more good relationship. Okay. Living a legend, cultural icon, the maestro, Charles Kojofu, Daddy Lumba. May so rest in perfect peace. When we say what pay tribute to him, our IG page. What news now? How did you feel?
I felt very bad because many opinion encounter. Yes, I am for record be a man, Bassa, a behame. As an artist, I mean, so me per se, me too, or no, nana more nibi. It's a hard dream.
Okay, but then I'll say creative arts for normal year. Edisha that anyone.
The mechanic say you make sure say you be consulted and you ma be brave. Na ya dear papa no ni sunsum epe because otias na yina yinim lifestyle no ye dey o live to obi am fa ne pe enkoye niam bia be ma ne so na ye dey edi ara ho. That is the only thing I'm betting.
Now, who favorite that Lumba song in your
let me say, your friend says, I now say, me, no. Say,
ooh, okay. And also a nice song.
Yeah, Komati, man,
hey, that's when you're Komati and soda. Hey.
A woman church a woman church.
So Fada, meaning say only beside him.
Yeah.
Style Ben, I'll link you up with Bisa because Bisa say one artist a ban high life actually.
Senior.
He's very good. How did you link up with Bisa?
I think last year I went to Medical's birthday. I was officially invited by Chris Wado.
Okay.
Yes, I me crowd me share one corner be na me home senior man Bisa Kede. Ti ono an Fada right now me say boss say Charlie me pe wasem take my number call me if anything me wo home.
Okay.
So me nya read them no na me say no this is like the right thing for
Bisa. And you know more verse kakra na ahwefo ni hu anwom kra ye kan wasem.
Ode me dey Mante wonkana bibi yamyo desio mare hoyi ekumyo tiwa mantama ubeba na mewu edua ebe na etio ezio tutoi mafe odadie no enti mama me babe chiwa mawaka mu mama mama me babe chiwa mawaka mu mama enana jui dia ta so
adoyewe and you were the PG Fada, only way there, I know a thing. I know adult music, and no I can, yeah. And let's get into your new song, Butterfly Love. I didn't know Butterfly Love.
Sir, there was a time when me and my because or Dobby bad.
Yeah.
So me nya the papa. Say some me we are singing who say
me the papa.
Odo a de me tutu na for me sifa kwa de me toa na my say kakra me say
okay.
Ntina we wo ho na ye me say.
But where does the inspiration come from?
From Daddy Lumba.
Okay.
Yeah.
Daddy Lumba and a Maojo inspiration.
No, like the the drums pattern of the song.
Okay.
I remember my different. So the influence and the mom and so I was able to come up with this.
Okay. But why the producer in your
The Beat Fada. Oh,
Beat Fada.
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay. Big shout outs to you, Beat Fada. I say, oh, I'm
okay.
And I find out touches and also gigs. Mr.
Okay.
Authentic. So
But Fada, right now, what do you think of the state of high life music? I'm out for Phyllis say I diluted like high life and shit and what to say canino. As Afrobeat they make waves.
No, but the Afrobeat na high life and kasao. Opa yemo Kwajo Black na Kelvin Boy nyum SLN. Never to your friend say. Ye nua akwabo anyumi. Mami ata amehwe. Adobe he na mehwe. Ne na ntu fefe. Wa bo makoma mutio. Just that this time our boys na yaba no yepebro for some ne catch say you be catch you bubu ben. That's the only the difference between the Afro and high life. Because when him's a Kelvin Boy or typical high life artist, what I say. Yes, that bro for 7 or more day every man.
It's working as a high life, no original identity.
High life no.
Okay.
And no one what I say. And no one
That means one new song, The Butterfly, is out on all streaming platforms. Okay. Yeah, no, I can't bear 4 months, na yana ending. What should we expect from Fada?
And near my baby, no woman, who be a better and we are doing. And obi dear bantam, obi so dear bamado, no obi so dear bequavi, what I say. Near my baby, no home. Made to me have a pen, paper, and my list my come as well, bet, say, young coupon say, all my name, but your man penny grant to me, my name. I'm hoping for the best for myself and the year beyond, what I say.
Okay, Fada, our social media handles, where can we reach you?
Pacho, no one say, or the RAPPFADA. Okay. I saw so baby, I say, didn't get a home.
Okay.
Rap no RAPPFADA. A boom backo. Pacho, corner pino, a backo pa. Johnny.
And you're Fada. Okay. Fada, where's last words to your fans? Oh, more show.
What I was saying to the people out there, not only those who listen to my songs, this is a general advice. See, on the street, so I say, Obia pay dear, but the end to your boss. What I say, or say, Ketua be on where rather than Sawomono, a doors a chain, the Tessa Stadium, Muniama, or Bonsam woman and Saya de a chassis. The old pre homes is here, maybe I had the Mawa, to me kuta. And Nuntina rather say, Repermono, or Beshe and when Yama son said, or so a fresh or Beshe and when Yama one fresh over a day, Ubegui and Massa. In Tien to your boss, your chef will be an Radin Sawum. Obey your trust.
Thanks for coming through, my brother, Fada. He's out with a new song, Butterfly Love. Guys, you can check it out on all streaming platforms. Go run it and add to your playlist, guys.